Hi, I'm Chloe, and this is Diamond here. And today me and the rest of my herd, my two budgies and my two lovebirds, are going to be showing you how to clean your bird's cage. So we have this big cage here, and there's another smaller cage down here, and they both need cleaning, don't they, Diamond? Yes, they do. Okay, well, let's get right on to that. This is the small cage here that I told you about. So there's Diamond, and that's fake, just saying. It's not real budgie. So you can see these perches need cleaning, the mirror needs cleaning. Down here, this definitely needs cleaning. It's because they perch up there at night, so that gets really dirty. She needs new food. She's ran out of food from yesterday. The water's okay, but that needs to be cleaned as well. That's from yesterday as well. And this floor of the cage really needs to be cleaned as well. So this is about as dirty as you should let your cage get. I maybe should have cleaned it a few days ago, but that's that. We have the big cage where, again, the food and the water needs to be changed. These birds are being crazy. So there's Pebble, the budgie, and Stormwind, the lovebirds. They need to have all their food and water refilled, and their cage there is about as dirty as it can get as well. So now we'll get on to cleaning them. Okay, so here you can see I have taken out the trays from the big cage and from the smaller cage here. And I have taken out the two toys, the two perches that I think need washing, and the grid from the small cage, which also needs washing. I have, to clean it, to actually clean them, you're going to need a plastic bag disposable plastic bag from shopping. I need two because I have two cages, still two trays to clean, and you're going to need something to scrub them with, and a container of water, or you could just use a tap, which I'm going to do. So to actually clean them, I would recommend going outside so you don't make a mess in the house. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip the contents of this and this into the plastic bag, so I'll show you doing that. Okay, so now the trays are clean. I have put newspaper in the bottom and thrown out the plastic bags. So now I have to clean the rope perch, the wooden perch, and the grate. When cleaning that though, when I clean the rope perch, I need to put only a tiniest bit of water on the cloth, or else the rope perch will get really soaked and it's not that hard. I mean, it's quite hard to dry. And when doing the the wooden perch, you need to leave it outside to dry. As if you bring it inside and put it back in your bird's cage before it's completely dry, then it can grow mold, and mold's not very good for your birds. So now I'll go out and wash them. Well, Diamond's now a lot happier in a clean cage, aren't you, girl? Yes. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this was helpful. If you have different ways that you find more effective, or just want to show them, share them. Then you can comment them down below, and I will read and reply, and perhaps read them out on my next video. I'm going to start a new thing now called I Can't Believe My Pet Did That. And that is when, at the start or at the end of every video, I'm going to show a clip, a video from YouTube or from another social media that someone has showed me that made them go, oh my gosh, I can't believe that person's pet would do that. Or a video of their own pet doing something that I think people will find very funny. So you can comment the links to the videos in the description if you want to show me them. Diamond? Did you poo on my hand? What would you do that for? Naughty. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye!